Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another try on haul styling sort of video. Today we are doing H&M. I absolutely love H&M. I think you can find some really good affordable quality pieces on that site. I do all of my shopping online, so like always I will link everything in the comments down below so it's easy for you guys to shop, as well as the sizes that I chose for my pieces that we're going to talk about today. I got a total of 8 pieces that I want to share with you guys today, and I'm going to style them up to show you the versatility of all the different pieces. If you like seeing H&M try on hauls, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up, as well as letting me know in the comments down below what other brands you want to see. You guys know I post a lot of Abercrombie and I'm looking for other brands to incorporate in these style videos that you guys are interested in seeing reviews and hauls on. So let me know in the comments down below and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so if you guys are not new to my hauls, you know my obsession with like this satin silky sort of trend. I've been in love with it and I've been getting a ton of button downs, but this first piece I wanted to get because it was a little bit different in terms of like the style of it, and I really love it. It's got this ruching towards the top that gathers into a pretty tight neckline with these buttons that go all the way up. Now you can button them all the way up or you can kind of leave some out for a more casual look. I showed this styled in 2 different ways. The first outfit I used to style this with was a super casual look with just some ripped denim jeans and some black leather loafers. I love this look. It's a very casual daytime look, office wear if you guys are allowed to wear jeans for sure. I absolutely love this top and I think it's super cute, and it also makes a great transition into a nighttime piece, like a dinner sort of outfit, and I styled that with my new favorite pair of jeans from Abercrombie. I ended up getting these in the size long just because I wanted to wear them with heels and I didn't want them to shrink up too much where they would be too short. I love the detail down the leg of like the striping down the leg, as well as the obviously split hem right at the front at the foot. I think it is so cute with a pair of black heels. This just dresses up the outfit and makes it look really pretty for like a night dinner or a nice dinner or drinks or whatever the case may be. I absolutely love this look. Okay, this next piece, I don't know about you guys. I wanted to love it, but I think it's just too oversized. So it's a cape style jacket and I got it in extra small, which is the smallest size that they had. I love the color and I love how soft this thing is, and I actually like the structure of it. I almost think it just like is too much. It is an outfit in itself. I paired it with a black turtleneck, the one I'm wearing right now, as well as just some black leggings. I figured just an all black look with this like making the cape situation poncho the main focus would be super cute, but I almost think it's just a little too big. Let me know, like always in all the pieces. I always love your guys' feedback. It really helps me determine what I'm gonna keep, how you like it, and all that good stuff. I just love the feedback that you guys give me. It really helps me. So yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence of it. I think it could be really cute, but is it worth it for like a full outfit? You'll have to let me know. But I also styled that cape with these boots, and I've been on the hunt for a pair of like Chelsea boots like this. I think that's kind of what they're called. I love the style of these, and I loved how like slender or like thin and sleek they were. So I did get a pair from Shein a little while ago, but I ended up returning them because they were just too chunky, and I felt like, I don't know, borderline these can look like rain boots to me. I love just black leggings tucked into them. I think that's the cutest thing, or with tights or anything like that, but these boots, super cute. Definitely keeping those guys. Okay, this next piece that I got is this light blue sweater, which I think is absolutely beautiful. I own nothing like this in my collection, like this color, and I love blue on myself with blonde hair and blue eyes. I think it just pops, but I love the idea of like adding color to chunky knits. I just think I own a lot of neutrals for the winter, blacks, whites, grays, things like that. But I did just get like a poppy sort of color from H&M that's a sweater like this, and I was like, or from Zara actually. I figured why not try out this, and I love how like chunky knit this is. It's short, like kind of, it's not like cropped, but it's not oversized, if that makes sense. So I absolutely love this. It's a mock neck, comes up but doesn't like fold over, which I like. So I paired that with these straight leg jeans that have the, again, like slit at the base of the foot. It's on the outside of the foot, which I think is cute, but I almost think I like the inside of the foot a little bit better, but these fit really nice. I absolutely love how H&M's jeans kind of like are stretchy but look structured and fit really freaking nice. I like the coloring on this. It's just a basic denim, and I really don't own a ton of just non-ripped denim, so I'm always looking for ones. And I have like an ankle sort of cropped fit, but I don't have any full length ones, so I love these ones, and I love the trend with the split at the like hemline. I think it's just super cute, so I paired that for a casual look with some Converse. I absolutely love my platform Converse. If you don't know that already, such a cute look. And then I also, for like more of a dressier sort of look, went ahead and paired it with a black leather skirt that I recently picked up at Shein. I will have that link down below as well. It's so stretchy and comfortable, and I think a chunky knit sweater with a like fitted leather skirt is such a cute look for like going out for drinks, cocktails, whatever, and throw it on with a pair of simple black heels and you're good to go. Now if it's cold, really cold where you live, it's not that cold in Dallas yet, you could do tights or leggings with those Chelsea boots or something like that to kind of keep yourself warmer, you know? And another way I styled these slit hem jeans that I love so much is I threw it on with just a basic graphic tee and a blazer. I love a graphic tee with a blazer. I just love that layering look. But I thought these looked really cute with it because it's kind of like a very trendy sort of outfit, but very comfortable. Jeans and a t-shirt, come on, like you cannot go wrong with that. I absolutely love that look. It's probably one of my favorites and will be my most worn for sure. Okay, these last two pieces are my absolute favorite in this haul. I know I say that about every piece, but you guys, I just love finding good stuff. I'm so passionate about it. All right, so this is kind of like a sweater vest-ish kind of dress. So the only reason I hesitate on the fact that it's a dress, and you'll see in the first clip, I tried it on with this beautiful blue button down, which I love that color so much. Popped the collar out the top. This vest is so thin, but looks such good quality, and it is so soft. Not itchy at all. The issue with making it into just a dress with that shirt specifically is the slits in that shirt dress. That's not a dress, but I've worn it as a dress before, sadly. Now that I'm thinking about it, it was a terrible idea, but it's a little high. So if you're gonna do that, I would throw some tights on with it, which would be really cute. I don't have any black tights, which tells me I need some black tights, or reminds me that I need some black tights, but so cute with a pair of Converse on, very casual, very like chic. Now you also could stitch up the end hem of this sweater vest if you wanted to make it a sweater dress for sure. I don't like wearing jeans underneath really long tunic sort of tops. It's just not, I don't know, not the most flattering on myself, especially because I wear more like looser jeans and not like skinny jeans. So I prefer this with like just like as a dress. So that's an option. I would think about sewing this, but I'm totally keeping this item. I'm in love with it. It is such good quality, and I love the sweater vest trends. And I actually like the sweater vest to come up full versus a v-neck. I find that I like that look a little bit more. But I also did pair that with an actual button-down dress. I got this one from Gap a while ago, and I love Gap pieces. I think they're timeless. They're always having really great sales, but I love this piece specifically for layering with sweater vests, layering with chunky sweaters in general. You can wear this a couple different ways. You can wear the sweater vest all the way down, or you can kind of fold it up, tuck it up. You can wear a belt with it. There's so many different ways to wear this. Throw it on with a pair of loafers and you're good to go. All right, and these last pair of jeans, honestly, when I got them out of the box, I was like, those are gonna be huge. Those are gonna be super unflattering. I find that I love H&M jeans, but sometimes they're hit and miss, and sizing can be super weird with them. I did get mine in a size 4, and I was like, oh, I really should have sized up to a 6, but the 4s fit perfectly. These jeans, they're freaking perfect, you guys. Okay, so first of all, they hit all the way to the ground. Absolutely love that. They are like a slim, or like not a slim straight, they're like a wide leg kind of straight leg jean. They have the right amount of rips. They are like fitted at the waist. They're like a stiff denim, so they really like, you know, section that midsection, you know what I mean. But the legs are so comfortable. Like, it's not a stretchy material, so I'm glad that the legs have like some room to breathe, but don't look like wide leg jeans, if that makes sense. They are so pretty. I'm obsessed with these jeans. I've probably said that a million times already, but I am. Like, I love these jeans. You could wear these with Converse, you could wear them with loafers, you could wear them with heels. I love them. I just paired it with a basic white button down. Love a basic white button down. This one's actually from H&M as well. I do have a full video on how I style white button downs. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below. I spent a lot of time on that video and I absolutely love it because I am passionate about a basic white button down. I think you can dress it up for dinner and you can dress it down for like a casual like beach day. I think a white button down is a staple. So I love also just a white button down with a pair of like light wash denim. I think it's such a look. So that is everything that I recently picked up from H&M. Winter, you guys, this is probably one of my like last winter hauls because we're gonna start getting into like spring and spring break and all that, and I'm ready for like spring clothes again. I don't know, I'm always looking forward to the next season's clothes. I think it's just how I am. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below, should I keep that poncho cape thing? Should it go? Are there any pieces that you guys have your eyes on and are gonna pick up? If so, use the links in the comments down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.